These are challenging times. We are faced with uncertainty about the future. But haven't we been here before? We faced and won many battles over and over again. We are guided by our history and taught by experience. We've done this before. We've seen it all. Rebuilt, supported, and inspired individuals, families, businesses, and organizations. We are optimistic about the future. So be inspired. Face the challenge. Beat the challenge. At UBA, we are equipped to partner you to face and beat your challenges. Be inspired for success in the future.
UBA, Africa's global bank.